into today. Ooh, some old stuff. We getting ready kind of sort of play some games with it. See what it'll do. See if they'll fit. All that good stuff. So, what's up, guys? It's your boy CeeLo from Smokin Metal CarFun back at y'all with another Smokin Metal CarFun video. Right now, don't pay no attention. Happy Mother's Day to everybody out there. You all have to excuse me. I know I'm looking rough, but I'm out here trying to get my truck done. Then did my Mother's Day breakfast with my wife. So right now I'm out here gonna get a little bit done with the truck, being though it's a nice day, and see if my adapters that came in fit. So we're gonna test fit and see if the adapters fit the rims and the truck. So I'll catch y'all in a minute. So what we got good in this box right here? I know I hear a lot static from a lot of people, but I'm gonna say again, I ain't out running races. I ain't out doing donuts. I'm not off-roading right now. So, therefore, we grabbed us some adapters. So now, we're gonna see if they fit. We're gonna dump this out the box. One and a half inch adapters. See how far we stick out.
Your fan goes out.
Aha. Just so y'all can see. That's perfect. Good job. We good to go. So now we can go ahead and mount my wheels up. I just want to see what it's gonna look like. So y'all tell me what y'all think. Plus, I need them so that way my truck can pass inspection, because it's time for it to get the inspection. So therefore, we're gonna put the rims on with the tires that's already on it. Take it, have them inspected possibly tomorrow, and yeah, go from there. So we're gonna go ahead and mount her up. So give me a minute to set my camera up and everything, and I'll get back to y'all in a second. Peace. Seems like we're gonna be doing some cleaning. Boom, y'all, there we go. Ooh, need some meat on them. They 245, 50, 20s. That's the size tire that's on them now. So these are...
Go ahead. Keep going. I'm trying to get it.
305, 65, 17. So therefore, the tires that I actually had to go on these 20s is 305. I forgot 20.
305. I forgot 20s.
Yeah.
Nice.
I think they 305, 65. Yeah, they 305, 65, 20. Y'all hear the sound of my old tires? The monster tires like I changed these out. I'm gonna let y'all hear how it rides. But y'all see we shifting. We drove to the auto parts store, grabbed some lug nuts for the truck, and made it back home without calling for help. But we do gotta get that fixed though. Y'all hear how loud she is? It's not my business. I can't get with it loud like that. You know? So, yeah. Thought we was gonna have to call my wife to come rescue us in Scott's truck. Cause, you know, my rescuer, he with me. Out test driving the truck. So if y'all can't hear me over the truck, I apologize. But she driving, y'all. So now we getting ready to do something else just because she driving. Hey, nah, I was told they some mixed up cookies. Oreo cookies, my brother. Hey girl, how are you? Hey, I see you done brought the picnic table over here to my cookout in my front yard.
Hey, D. You already know, man. You can't bring a woman around here without getting fucking embarrassed.
Just a little.
I was already embarrassed by mom showing the pictures.
Oh, what picture she showed you?
I'm at this over the weekend.
Oh, yeah. Wait till that video come out. I'll catch y'all in a little bit. I got work to do.
There's no video.
Look like the old Magnum. Oh, that's funny. The Magnum is back to her old look. But I lie to you not, the black wheels do look good. This was the original Magnum except for the HellCat hood. This is what she looked like except for the HellCat hood. The slotted rotors and the missing molding. So this is her. But guess what? This is my son's car now. We getting ready to let him create his own look. Even though it's still mine. This is his car. He got to get his permit and then it's on. Once he get his permit, his car. Not mine. I told him. It's on him. Figure out from there. Do what he wants.
Derek!
Actually look good. With the black wheels on it. This is her. Good and dirty.